All right, so your OpenClaw just stopped responding, or maybe it gave you some error code that you have no idea what it means, or maybe you're just starting out and it never responded to you in the first place. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix literally any of these issues with Claude Code and one prompt. So let's get into it. So first things first, you're going to want to install Claude Code. And to do that, you just want to open the terminal. If you're on Windows, you're going to open the PowerShell. And if you're on a VPS, you're going to want to go to your dashboard of the service provider, and there's going to be a button that says console. And you click that button that says console, and that will open your terminal for your VPS. All you need to do is type this one command, and put this in the description, of course. Hit enter. Now, if you get something like this and you don't know what to do, copy it all, come to Claude AI chat, paste it in here. I'm trying to install Claude Code on my terminal. Same thing for VPS, just copy it, and you can still put it in your Claude chat here. You see, I am not technical. I didn't even know it installed successfully. And this is what people need to get better at, is letting AI do the work for them. Just copy paste the whole terminal output, put it into Claude chat, it will tell you what to do next. Same thing for all the security stuff you're seeing. If you get some error, just copy paste the whole terminal output, give it to Claude chat. Don't give it to any other one. Don't give it to ChatGPT. Don't give it to Gemini. Claude is the best. All right, so I'm installed successfully. I'm going to type Claude. Now, right now I'm on my local computer. I don't have OpenClaw installed on this computer. I'm not going to run the prompt, but I'll show you the prompt. And I think this goes without saying, but you want to install Claude Code on wherever your OpenClaw is installed. So if it's on a VPS, you go into the dashboard, hit the console, install Claude Code in that terminal. If you're on a Mac Mini, you install Claude Code on the Mac Mini, just like I'm doing here. Now here's the magical prompt. It's very simple. I have OpenClaw installed on this computer or on this VPS. It doesn't even matter. I'm using whatever channel with whatever model. You don't even have to say the model. Here's the error. Paste your error that you get in your chat. Or you can say, if it's not responding, say, it's not responding, and then just tell it to fix it. And one more thing you should add, my graphic doesn't have it for some reason. You should say, is there anything else you need from me to be able to fix this error? So sometimes it might need your Claude setup token. If you're on a Claude subscription and you're using your setup token, maybe it needs that. Just ask it what it needs to fix that error. I'll show you how to get the Claude setup token right now, though. So to get the Claude setup token, open a new terminal window. And if you're on a VPS, I would say close the terminal tab because you're looking at it in the browser, and then go back into your dashboard, reopen the console, and then you'll have a fresh terminal window. So let me open a new terminal window here. And to get your setup token, all you do is type Claude setup dash token. That's going to open this, and you just hit authorize, and then your token is going to show back up in this terminal here. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to show you my token. It's going to show up here. So to paste it all in here, it's a bit more easy if you probably just did it like in your Telegram chat to get it all formatted, the prompt, and then copy it and then put it back into Claude Code. But the main thing is just get it all the context it needs to fix any error. And if you don't know what it needs, say, what do you need to fix this error? And you just get everything, give it to Claude Code, and Claude Code has access to your files. It has access to all the code for OpenClaw, and it's going to fix the issue. Once you hit enter on that prompt, it's going to keep asking you to confirm whether you're okay with the actions it's doing. I don't think any of us non-technical people know what it's actually doing, so you should just keep hitting enter. Yes, 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 yes. And it's going to work every single time. So I'm going to put that prompt in the description, and I'll put that command in the description for you to get Claude Code installed. And I'll also put in the Claude setup token command. And that is how you get AI to do your work for you. Nobody needs to be technical anymore to do anything. You just use Claude Code to fix it. You can't use your OpenClaw to fix it because there's an error code. You need an external AI that has access to your files and your code to be able to fix it. The chat obviously doesn't work. It's just in the browser. Your OpenClaw's brain is ripped out. It can't respond. Claude Code can do it. Now this one right here, this is pretty much the only error code it can't fix. You need to get Claude $200 max plan, and you shouldn't get this one very much. So that's it for this video. I hope that was helpful. Apparently a lot of people don't know that Claude Code can just fix your bugs. But yeah, I hope that was helpful. Thank you. If you want to learn more about OpenClaw, best practices, best prompts, how to fix bugs, which I just taught you, my Skool group's got a lot of killers, and we have a group call every Sunday at 12 p.m. Eastern. This week, we have a special guest. We call him the Tony Stark of Chiang Mai here in Thailand, the founder of Kybernesis AI. Now, Kybernesis AI is an insane platform. It basically gives your OpenClaw infinite memory. And this is not a paid partnership or anything. Like, it's truly cracked. It's essentially modeled after a human brain. And the guy who made it, he has built his own version of OpenClaw. It's way better and stronger, and he's had it for like over a year now. So if you join the Skool group, you get to talk to this guy on Sunday, and it's gonna be a real cool call. And I'm sure he's gonna drop a lot of sauce. Like, look at this. Each one of these is like a memory, and they're all related to each other by strength of how similar they are. And you can type anything like call research. So I got a lot of calls booked for me. So like there's a memory about call research in here. This plugin is next level. You should check it out as well. And lastly, if you want a free guide, you can come to my website, openclawconsultant.com. Come to the book. And here you have the OpenClaw book, everything you need to master your AI agent. A lot of good information in here as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.